Hello guys, this is Manny, your pool home realtor over here in the Cape Coral, Florida area. Hey, today we're gonna be talking about the Cape Coral real estate market. The numbers are in. I'm gonna be talking a little bit about key indicators that I'm gonna put in for why the real estate market is gonna stay strong, and 4 keynotes or 4 key indicators that if that happen, our market might shrink or might slow down or might crash. So hey, stay tuned. All right guys, so today we're going to be talking about the Cape Coral real estate market. I'm going to give you the active listings, the sold, days on the market, months of supply. So over here in Cape Coral right now, you're looking at 403 properties available, which 67 of those are brand new construction. That leave you 336 properties, roughly starting at 225 and up. That's like the lowest that I saw on the MLS, starting on that single family home. Okay, property sold in the month of May, you're looking at 637 properties, which 85 of those properties were brand new construction. Look at this guy fishing over there. This is what it's all about, Cape Coral life, man. Boating, fishing, and all that. So yeah, that's that. Let's double check over here the graph so you guys could see the sell price, months of supply, and days on the market. Hey guys, if you guys want to follow up what I have been talking about the real estate market, double check one of these sections over here. I'm gonna put the playlist for all the Cape Coral market analysis and all the Cape Coral real estate market updates that I have done for the past 10, 11 months. So you guys know exactly what's going on. So I'm gonna put that over here at the end of this video, so don't forget about to check it out. All right guys, sell price for the medium price in Cape Coral, you're looking at $355,000. That's a 42% increase compared to last year. The average is 429 with another 42% an increase compared to last year. Days on the market, the median is 5 days and the average is 17 days. So you guys know, the medium is that middle part. You got 150 would be the medium price. The average would be all of them combined together. So the average is 17 days. Month of supply for the month of Cape Coral, you're looking at 2 weeks of supply. So all the homes that we got in the market is probably gonna get consumed in 2 weeks if nobody else put a home for sale in the market. So yeah, that's that. So now I'm gonna give you 4 key elements or 4 key indicators that if something like this happen, it might pull, it might slow down the market over here in Cape Coral. So yeah, these key elements or these key indicators might bring the Cape Coral real estate market down or make a little crash or something. So I'm gonna kind of hurry up. It's gonna be raining shortly. It's already raining, but I did want to make this for you guys. So one thing though, one problem that I'm seeing is the inability to insure homes. Yeah, as you guys know, there were 3 big companies that took the business out of Florida, and they're getting hanging 50,000 people without insurance. Me and myself, my insurance went up. My sister insurance company, this was one of those that dropped her up, so she needs to find now a new insurance company. So if this keeping going and rates keep going up, that might create a problem with the people have there are maybe in a month-to-month type of thing salary. So that's one. If that keeping getting worse, we're probably gonna see a slowdown. And another thing too, homes that maybe need replacement of a roof and stuff like that, that might be a problem. So if you're purchasing a home and the roof is on their last stage of their life, you're probably gonna have problems insuring your company. They might drop you and they might not approve your loan. So that's that. Number 2, as you guys know, Cape Coral have a lot of water, so the algae problem. I know the government get, I think it was like $2 billion to deal with that. I mean, this is really beautiful, but in summertime you got the runoff for the water, so that created a lot of algae. I don't know how they're gonna fix it. I just want to make sure they hopefully they fix all that problem with the release water from the Okeechobee too as well. So there's a lot of stuff. So this year we're gonna see a lot of algae problems like we did in 2018. Who knows what's gonna happen. Maybe the market is gonna slow down, maybe don't, who knows. Let's see what, let's go to that point and then speculate and see what's going on. So that's that, the algae. And then number 3, hurricanes. Hopefully this year, I thought it was another boat. Hopefully this year we don't get hit by hurricanes. If you're thinking about moving down here to Cape Coral, let me know if you're scared about the hurricanes, if you have any concerns about it. I think if this year we get hit with a couple of hurricanes, maybe 1 or 2 major hurricanes, that would definitely bring a halt in the selling over here, because a lot of people might get scared. But hey, listen, I want to know what you guys think. Just put in the comment below if you're scared of hurricanes, or if if that's a concern for you. So that's that. And then my number 4 key indicator that I think we're gonna see a slowdown over here is the affordability of housings. As you guys know, right now Cape Coral, we're at 355. The maximum FHA loan over here in Lee County is 356, 357, yeah, 356 and change. Let me see, did I write it down over here? No, but I know it's 356 and a couple of $100 more. So right now the first-time home buyer is in that line that they might pull back off the market. If they pull back off the market and there's not that much people buying homes, that might inventory might start to climb a little bit more, since those people are out of the market and they went to rent or they went another route. So those are my 4 key indicators that that could bring a slowdown over here in the Cape Coral real estate market. Now let me give you my 3 key indicators that I think we're not going to have a slowdown, and the opposite is going to be we're going to be more busy. The inventory is still going to be short, and the real estate market is still going to be strong for the maybe year 2 years down the road. So let's start with that. All right, guys, so I'm going to give you these reasons why I think the Cape Coral real estate market is going to keep strong for times to go. Look at this guy. This is what it's all about. Taking out your family with your boat and all that. They're kind of crazy because it's raining, but hey, they're gonna enjoy the weather. All right, guys, sorry. So yeah, let me give you my 3 indicators that I think our market is gonna be as strong as it have been in the previous years. So I'm gonna go with the least important to the most important one. The least important one is high taxes states. As you guys know, there were this past year, 2021, 26 states raised their taxes, even though on cigarettes, alcohol, state tax, in whatever part of taxes related, they raised those taxes. I'm gonna put in the description below. I just found this lady. It's a tax lady. I think it's an accountant. I'm not 100% sure because I didn't write it over here. But double check in the description. I'm gonna put states with tax change, and maybe it's one of those taxes from you. So those people, those states that have higher taxes, I bet you a lot of people are gonna move out of them because they're getting bombarded with more and more taxes. And guess what? What state wasn't in that list? Florida. Yep, Florida wasn't in that list of tax change in 2021. So that's that. Number 2, and I have a lot of people calling me about this, and it is the ability to work from home. I have a lot of people that say, hey Manny, I was thinking about moving 2, 3, 5 years down the road, but I could work from home now. I want to do the move now. So I think that is going to bring a lot of people to Florida, and or at least to Cape Coral. So at least market's still gonna be high, and they're gonna have a lot of demand just because of that. As you guys know, people love Florida, and they're thinking about moving. So you know, they're ready. You know, they could do it now. Why wait? So that's that. So, and number one, the most important thing right now is the inventory. There's no inventory. So you guys could have a perspective of our inventory over here in Cape Coral. A year ago, a year and a couple of months ago, we used to have over here, I would say roughly 2,200 listings available. As of today, that I'm doing this video, 336 available right away, and then 403, you know, if you put that new construction that is on the MLS. So hey, you know, make the math. You know, it's way less than 75%. So as long as inventory levels keep being that low, you know, if you're a seller, it's, you know, really good time to sell. If you're a buyer, you know, you're probably gonna be working a little bit more with you know, offers, and you know, probably gonna lose a couple of homes because there's no inventory right now. People are not selling, you know, they're waiting for, you know, whatever. So that's pretty much it. You know, hopefully guys like this report before it start raining. And nothing, guys. You guys got any questions, let me know, drop in the comment, and I'll see you in the next Cape Coral real estate market.